morning students. We will continue the topic nutrition, competition number 8.4, and today's topic is balanced diet in a pregnant woman or balanced diet in pregnancy for optimal health. A well balanced diet and proper nutrition is essential for the health of mother and developing baby during pregnancy. So, following principles should be followed. First is balanced diet. Then important nutrients in pregnancy should be supplied in the diet. Hydration, food restrictions, small and frequent meals, supplements. Here supplement means we are talking about the some tablets and syrups. And last is management of weight. So balanced diet in pregnancy. So in the balanced diet, whole grains plays an important role. The whole grains like whole wheat, brown rice, oats, etc. are included in the diet. These whole grains provide vitamin B complex, iron as well as energy. Next component of balanced diet is fruits and vegetables. Colorful fruits and vegetables are also added in the diet. They provide vitamins, minerals and fibers. These fibers prevent constipation. Next component is lean proteins like meat, poultry, fish, eggs and legumes are the sources of lean proteins, and these lean proteins provide good quality of protein for a pregnant woman. The next component of our balanced diet is healthy fats. Healthy fat like fish fat, avocados, olive oils, nuts and seeds. These fats provide essential fatty acids and polyunsaturated fatty acids. These are essential for development of central nervous system and brain of a baby. Next, dietary products. Dietary products including milk, milk product, soya milk, oat milk should be taken in the balanced diet. They are good source of calcium apart from providing other nutrients. Next point is key nutrients for pregnancy. Here these key nutrients are essential for the growth of baby. First and most important is folic acid. Good sources of folic acids are green leafy vegetables, legumes, citrus fruits, etc. This folic acid is essential for the development of brain and spinal cord. The deficiency of folic acid will lead to neural tube defect. So enough folic acid will prevent the neural tube defect in baby. Next is iron. Food rich in iron are lean red meat, poultry, fish, fortified cereals, beans and green leafy vegetables. In pregnancy, blood volume increases. Hence, there is more requirement of hemoglobin, and iron is essential for synthesis of hemoglobin. Next key nutrient is calcium. Good sources of calcium are milk and milk products, fortified plant-based milk. Fortified means it is obtained from genetically modified technique. Almonds and leafy vegetables. This calcium is essential for the development of bones of baby. Vitamin D. Along with calcium, vitamin D is also essential. Good sources are again milk product, fatty fish. Exposure to the morning sunlight is also a good source of vitamin D because skin synthesizes vitamin D from cholesterol after exposure to ultraviolet rays from sunlight. This vitamin D is also essential for the growth of bones and development of immune system of a baby. Omega-3 fatty acids. Good sources of omega-3 fatty acids are fatty fish and walnuts. The omega-3 fatty acids like eicosapentaenoic acid, docosahexaenoic acid are important for the development of baby's brain, nervous system and eyes. Next is proteins. Additional about 25 grams of proteins per day are added in the diet. Good sources of proteins are lean meat, poultry, eggs, beans, etc. Proteins are required for the growth of maternal and fetal tissues. Next key nutrient of pregnancy which should be supplied in the diet is iodine. Its doses should be around 220 microgram per day. Dietary sources includes iodized salt, seafoods and fortified foods. It is essential for thyroid function as well as brain development of the baby. The next point is hydration. About 2 to 2.5 liters of water per day is recommended for a pregnant woman. Adequate hydration is required for sufficient amount of amniotic fluid. Now next point is food should avoid in pregnancy. There are certain food items which possess risk to the baby, such food should be avoided, like high mercury fish, that is shark, swordfish, king merkel, etc. Artificial sweeteners, example aspartame. Caffeine, it should be limited, means taken in a less quantity. Alcohol should be completely stopped. Raw and uncooked food should be avoided as it contains many bacteria or viruses which carries foodborne diseases. Next point, small and frequent meals are recommended in pregnancy. It is necessary for maintaining blood glucose in normal range. In pregnancy, there are various hormones levels increases which are having hyperglycemic action. So there is often rise in blood sugar level in pregnancy. Therefore, small meal will not allow the blood glucose level to rise to a very high extent. Now, small meal also manage the symptoms of pregnancies like nausea, vomiting, heartburn, etc. Next point, parental supplementation. So this supplementation should be in the form of tablets or syrups. Now which supplements are important? The supplements like iron, calcium, iodine, folic acid, docosahexaenoic acid. We have already provided this in the diet, but as the requirement in pregnancy is high, therefore this should be also given in the form of tablet and syrup. And last is weight management. We have to manage the weight of a pregnant woman to avoid various complications during labor as well as after the pregnancy. So these are about the balanced diet in pregnancy. Thank you very much.